Good evening, students. Welcome to my live classroom. I hope you all are well. Welcome to St. Lumina's Online Preschool. Okay, so let's start with me. Now I want to show my whiteboard. So let's see with me. This is my whiteboard, and now I want to take blue color. You all know. This is my blue pen. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday and date 10th August 2021. Okay? And today I want to discuss about articles. Articles. Okay? Clear? Now, what is article? In our English grammar, we have three articles. A, an, and the. In English grammar, we have three articles. A, an, and the last the. Okay? Clear? Now, today I want to discuss about the uses of a and an. Where to use a or an? Okay? So, let's start with me. A. A means one or singular. Okay? And also n means one or singular. Now I want to show my pages. So let's see with me. The uses of a or an. Okay? And now I am going to show my pages. So let's see with me. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant. Okay? You all know we have 21 consonant and 5 vowels in our English alphabet. Okay? So, we use a before a singular noun. For example, a boy. Here, boy is singular noun. Singular mean one. Okay? Here, boy is singular noun and the beginning letter of the noun is B. B is not a vowel, it's consonant. So, we have to write here A. Okay, clear? Again, let's see. We use a before a singular noun beginning with a consonant. For example, a boy. Okay, now we use an before a singular noun beginning with a vowel. We all know we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And for example, an egg. Here, egg is singular noun and the beginning letter of egg is E. E is vowel. So, we have to write here an, not A. Okay, clear? Second example, an umbrella. Here, umbrella is singular noun and the beginning letter is U. U is vowel. So, what can I write here? An, not A. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. Now I want to show you some worksheet. Okay, so let's see. This is my worksheet page. Tick and write the correct articles in the given sentences. Look here, some sentences are given. You all have to fill the blank space with the correct article. Okay, so let's start with me. First number, he writes blue bike. Here blue, blue. The beginning letter of blue is B. It's consonant, not vowel. So what can I write here? Tell me. Yes, I have to write here A. He rides a blue bike. Now number 2. Maria says aeroplane. What can I write before aeroplane? Tell me. Here aeroplane is the singular noun. Okay. And the beginning letter of aeroplane is A. A is a vowel, not consonant. So, what can I write? Yes, A-N, an. Very good. Now number 3. The dog has bone. The dog has bone. What can I write? Before bone, A or an. What can I write? Tell me. Look here. The singular noun bone. The beginning letter is B. It's not vowel. It's consonant. So, I have to write here A. Okay, clear? Now number 4. Ben throws ball. Ben throws ball. Here the singular noun is ball. And the beginning letter of ball is B. It's not vowel, it's consonant. So, I have to, or you all have to write here A. Clear? Now number 5. She uses umbrella. Look here. The singular noun umbrella is starting with U. U is vowel. So, write here an. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. Now I want to show you my another worksheet page. So, let's see with me. Article is very interesting thing. Yes, this is my second worksheet page. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Number 1, Sanjit plays with ball. What can I write before ball? Look here. The beginning letter ball is B. So write here A. A ball. Now number 2. My friend owns. My friend owns piano. What can I write before piano? A or an? Look here. The beginning letter is P. It's not vowel. It's consonant. So write here A. Clear? I hope you all understand it. Now number 3. Cow came into our kitchen garden. Here, what can I write before cow? Look, the beginning letter of cow is C. It's not vowel, it's consonant. So write A. Now number 4. Vidya is carrying basket. Vidya is carrying basket. Look here, the beginning letter is B. It's not vowel, it's consonant. So write here A. Now number 5, Mr. Beast is flying aeroplane. The beginning letter of aeroplane is A. It's vowel. So before vowel we all have to write N. So write here N. Now number 6. The Eskimos live on igloo. Igloo. The beginning letter of igloo is I. It's vowel. So write N. Now number 7. Ostrich is a big bird. Ostrich is a big bird. Look here. The beginning letter of ostrich is O. So put here N. Clear? Now number 8. An ant is busy with its work. Ant is busy with its work. Look here. Before ant, what can I write? Look here. The beginning letter of ant is A. It's vowel. So write N. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand it. Okay? So, if you like it or enjoy my class, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives so that they can get the chance to join my class. And last, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay? So, today I want to say you bye. We will meet again tomorrow. Okay? Till then, stay well and take care.